Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious special Pongal Payasam. Let's get started. This is rice ada. You will find two types in the market, big and small sizes. I recommend using the small size like this. I'm using one packet, which is about 200 grams. Okay, so first we need to soak the rice in hot water. So that's why I'm taking some drinking water. Get boiled. It's ready now. We'll add the rice ada into the hot water. So keep it for 30 minutes. Just mix well and keep aside. While the ada is soaking, we will prepare the coconut milk. I am using one medium coconut, which is enough for this recipe. First, we will break the coconut. One coconut I taken. We need to grind in the mixer. Adding drinking water. I think water is not enough, so I'm adding some more. Okay, let's grind. Okay, now I will use a filter to get the milk. Yeah, so here this is called the first milk. Next, we will grind the same coconut again. it's ready. So again I'm adding to the filter and squeeze, take the milk. This is called the first milk. So this is called the second milk. So we have now first milk in the left side and second milk in the right side. For sweetness I am using 150 gram of jaggery, but it was not that much sweet. So if you like it sweeter, please add more jaggery. We have to be melted. So let's boil some water. I'm adding jaggery to the drinking water. It's boiling and let it melt. Let's see now. Rice soda has soaked. Yeah, it's soaked already. This rice soda should be washed, and we have to remove the starch from the rice soda. So it's removed already. Dear followers, your support means everything to me. Please keep sharing my content and help us grow together. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe, share and like my videos. Jaggery is melted, so I'm keeping aside. Now let's cook our rice soda. I'm adding 1 cup of drinking water. Adding rice soda to the water. Let it boil. Half teaspoon salt we have to add. So let it cook the rice soda. Mix and make sure it's not sticky. Once the ada is cooked, add the jaggery syrup. And mix well. Let it cook until it thickness a bit. So it's thick already. So now add the second coconut milk. Mix well. let it boil for a few minutes. We need to add cardamom powder. 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 cardamom I take. We have to grind in the mixer. Adding some sugar. Sugar adding because of easy to grind in the mixer. That's why I'm adding sugar. I added 1 teaspoon sugar. Yeah, it's ready, so let's keep aside. Rice ada is already thick, so now time to add the first coconut milk. I recommend before adding the first milk, just mix well and add to the rice ada. Mix well. So now we will add the cardamom powder. So mix well. Now I will turn off the heat. In a smaller pan, we have to fry the cashew nut and raisins. So I'm taking 1 teaspoon ghee. So get it melt. Adding cashew nut. So this one we can take as you like. If you like more, you can add more. Add also raisins. So once they are golden, add them to the payasam.
Hi, delicious Pongal special Payasam is ready now. Let's taste. Super. So you guys must try now. It's very good. So enjoy. Happy Pongal. Bye.